Hi, I'm Aqua with WTI.
I have just now got into bird watching and I was looking for a really quality pair to see all the birds in my yard. And I have been so pleased with this pair of binoculars by GigaPenguin. My favorite feature, though, has to be the phone adapter. So I can add my phone to these binoculars, and that enables me to take video recordings and pictures through the binoculars. This is really neat because sometimes I see birds and I want to capture this. So this is just a really awesome addition for my bird watching. This is an example of how the videos come out really clear, and I just love that I'm able to record what I have seen. You're also able to still zoom in with your phone as well, or zoom in with the binocular zoom as well. So if you're looking for a pair of binoculars, definitely check these out by Giga Penguin. I think you'll be really pleased.
And that's my point of view.